All right, guys. This is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, we're still growing this account. We started with about $800. I'm still scalping it. We've made some profits. I'm continuing to record more profits. As you know, I've been using my two scalping systems, System A and System B, to scalp the market, using my hedging system as a way to exit the market. And like I said, if the market goes against us, we just hedge it out so we don't lose any money. If you want to learn how to hedge, go to hedgingmastermind.com and we'll see how it goes. Now, a lot of people have been asking me about the signal service. You can purchase the signal service from hedgingmastermind.com if you want, or if you want to test it for 3 months for free on a trial, send me a trial on Telegram link in description below. Make sure to also join the Telegram group. We're up over 5,000 members in the Telegram group. We're trying to get us to 10,000 to 15,000 members. So make sure you join, share the group, and yeah, like I said, message me trial and you get access to the VIP group for 3 months to make a lot of profit money. Where I'll be sharing my daily trade. And if you don't have time to trade, like I said, the PAM should be out right now, or it is out. Message me copy so that you connect straight to my account. When I take a trade, you copy straight on your account. For example, if you have like $1,000 in your account, and I have 10,000 in my account, if I take one lot size, it takes 0.1 on your account. So it's very automatic. You just fund your own account and connect it to my account. Message me copy on Telegram and I'll tell you how to connect to my account. If you want to test my signals for free, make sure that you are able to at least be able to fund your account with at least $50. I always recommend at least $650 so that you can trade both Forex and gold pairs. But if you just want to start with Forex pairs, have at least $50 to be able to fund in your account. And send me trial on Telegram and I'll tell you how to get the daily signals. Like I said, if you don't have time, you have other things to do, you want to do some other things, message me copy and you just fund your account and connect straight to my account and I'll tell you how. Message these 2 messages to me, or one of each message to me on Telegram, and yeah, you'll get access to it for free. I take 90% of the you take 90% of the profits from the copy signals and I'll take 10%, and the profit is split every month. Okay, and it's much safer because I hedge my account, so you're not really going to lose any money. Okay, no matter what. Maybe we might make less profits some months, maybe we can make huge profits another month. However, your funds are safe because you are using the hedging as a strategy to exit the trade. If you want to learn how to hedge, if you want to learn how to scalp, if you want to learn how to swing trade, I do it live with my students. You can go to hedgingmastermind.com and yeah, book a session. It can be for 1 week, 1 month. We can meet in person. We'll be taking live trades, or I'll share my screen on Zoom to you. We'll be taking live scalp trades, live swing trades, live hedging trades with live accounts, real funds. And yeah, we might even make some money while we're having the session. So hope you guys have a nice trading day. We'll see what type of trade we'll have today. Maybe it's going to be a hedge. Who knows? We'll jump into the market and see what the market has for us, and we'll just go with the market. I don't use indicators. I don't try to fight the market or beat the market. That's dumb. It's the currency of countries. Why are you trying to fight it? You alone in your room. So we simply just trade without indicators. We look at the market and we see what's going to happen, and we see what the market has for us. With that being said, like, share, and subscribe. Join the free Telegram group link in the description below. And make sure when you subscribe, you click the notification bells on. And yeah, because sometimes when I upload, some people don't get notified, but they're subscribed. So with YouTube, you have to have the notification bells on. And yeah, hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead, and we'll see how this plays out. Like, share, and subscribe.
Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, my software is giving me a sell signal. I'm just gonna change my lot size a bit and take a sell pretty soon. Just 1 minute waiting for some confirmations from my software. And there you go. Okay, I'm gonna set my take profits now, and I'm gonna show you the whole process, my whole scalping process on how to make a lot of money quickly in the Forex market, scalping. So I have 2 scalping systems called System A and System B, which I teach live. I like this with live trades. I teach my students. I share my screen on Zoom, or we meet in person. You can learn that at hedgingmastermind.com. Or if you don't want to learn, you can get my signals for free for 3 months. Okay, 3 months in my VIP signal group, where we give daily signals on forex pairs and gold pairs. All you have to do is message me trial, link in description below on Telegram. Okay, the Telegram link is description below. Message me trial, and also I just started my copy trades. That means you'll be able to fund your account. For the signals, you need at least $50 to be able to start. Okay, fund your account, it's free. Just be able to fund your account. And I have copy trades for those who don't even have time to take signals. Maybe you're in school, exams, work, you can't take trades. You can use the copy trades. I started this. You need to be able to connect to my account. You need at least $350 to $500 in your account. I would say best minimum $500 in your account. You connect straight to my account. So whatever trades I take, it copies directly on your account. For example, if I have $10,000, you have $1,000. If I use one lot, it uses 0.1. It's automatic. You take 80% of the profit every 30 days. I take 20%. We'll be right back once we have more. All right, guys, and we're back, getting closer and closer to take profits. It's already hitting the take profits. Come on, go down a bit more. Just a bit more, a bit more, a bit more. Come on. Hits that take profit. Should I close it, man? There you go. Take profit hits. Take profit hits. That was about $40 of take profit. Let me just check very quickly. So first of all, we had a hedge on this account, and look, we've made $40 scalping. I know we haven't started making huge profits, but this is just the beginning. Remember, if you want to connect to my account and copy my trade, send me copy on Telegram, link in description below also. And yeah, if you can't get the free trial, you can also get the signals. You can also purchase it on hedgingmastermind.com on my website. And yeah, we'll see if we have another trade in the market. I don't use I'll get to that. I don't use support and resistance. I don't use moving averages. I don't use indicators to trade the market. I use my software, which comes with the course for free. It tells me the market direction. That's why you see all those arrows. It tells me the direction of the trend. Short term, long term. It tells me when to buy and when to sell for scalping. Okay, it triggers me. It shows those alerts that you usually see. It's on your screen. It's very annoying. You know there's a buy, you know there's a sell. The software tells you that. It's also available on TradingView. Okay, it tells me where to exit my trades. It tells me the trend. It tells me where the trend will change, when the trend will change. It does all the analysis for me, and it does it without any bias. Because when some people do the analysis and the analysis says short, and the market becomes long, they will keep on selling because you're already emotionally attached to your trade. It removes all that bias. If the software is telling you that the market is now a sell and you're still trying to be emotional and saying it's a buy, then it's your fault because the software has already told you based on technicals what is going on in the market. Okay, and the difference between the software and other indicators can only give you a mathematical calculation of what has happened in the past, and it shows you in different rainbow formats. This software looks at every single tick in the market. A tick is smaller than a pip. If you don't know what a tick is, you can simply just Google it. Smaller is that means every movement in the market, as you see, is moving up and down, is reading that, getting information on that, and using that to create calculations and analysis. Anyways, with that being said, like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you comment. Make sure you join the free Telegram group. We're up over 5,000 members. We're trying to get it to 10,000 members, or best yet, 15,000 members before the end of the year. And I know we can do it. Make sure you comment to tell me what you want to see in the market. And yes, my exit strategy is hedging. I have some hedging videos. Actually, I have a lot of hedging videos. I've helped students hedge. I've had random people that message me hedge. I've hedged with my own account also. It's a way that I grow and compound my account fast. It's my secret weapon for making money fast, compounding fast, and growing my account fast. Hedging is a way to make profits to cover your loss. It's what the hedge funds are using and demands. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back soon.